Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman & Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law. Please subscribe to our channel. We are often asked whether or not one spouse is liable for the debts of the other spouse. It's a very good question because the question presupposes two sets of relationships. There's the relationship spouse to spouse, and there's the relationship spouse to the creditor. Okay? So if the question really means if my wife runs up a big Visa bill and we're getting divorced, am I obligated to pay for it, for her shoes and her dresses? The answer is likely going to be yes, because it's a marital debt. It's going to be split equally. There are exceptions. If she spends a lot of money because she's buying gifts for her new boyfriend, you don't have to pay for those, no question about it. But if it's normal things or things for the kids or things for the house, she buys a new TV for the family room or whatever, yes, both parties are going to own those things, including the debts attached to those things. Having said that, there's a different relationship between spouse and other spouse and spouse and creditor. If you have a credit card and it's in the name of the husband alone, while it's true that in the divorce the debt may be shared, but as far as Visa and MasterCard is concerned, they're only going to look toward, and the only person who's liable is the one whose name is on that card, on that account. So if the husband's got a card in his own name, account in his name, wife doesn't have any part of it, the judgment of divorce may say that they have to share the debt, but as far as the creditor is concerned, they're not going to look to you toward the payment of his debt. Nor do you have to worry that it'll impact your TransUnion or your Equifax or your TRW score because you didn't pay his debt. If it's in his name, he's got to pay it. If it's in your name, you got to pay it, and you're not liable for a debt that's in someone else's name. Remember, though, the distinction between the liability to the creditor and the liability to each other as defined by your judgment of divorce. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.